Girl, when certain people are around, don't come. I can't take this by, he's a cross.
Yo, I you.
That it should not be. And you missing me. No matter with them low stacking, you miss getting touched by me. That it should not be. And you missing me. No matter with them low stacking. Pull it up to Sophie.
Girl, when certain people are around, don't call me. I can't take this by, he's a cross.
It's student to that nature, boy. Let's go, let's go.
Yo, I you.
Be that it should not be. And you missing me. No matter with them low stacking, you miss getting touched by me. Be that it should not be. And you missing me. No matter with them low stacking, you miss getting touched by me. Me. Cement me name in your heart like an immigrant. Take residence in your thought like the ship. And the goat percent you let them apart. Then me start the penetrate to tell me what they touch your heart. Back shot.
Girl, when certain people are around, don't call me.
Shortest and the baddest.
I can't take this by,
That's what
he's a
him saying, him
cross.
the shortest and the baddest. What's up?
Yo, I you.
Be that the truth to be. And you missing me. No matter with them low stacking, you miss getting touched by me. Be that the truth to be. And you missing me. No matter with them low stacking, you miss getting touched by me. Me. Cement me name in your heart like an immigrant. Take residence in your thought like the ship. And the goat percent you let them apart. Then me start the penetration, tell me what they touch your heart. Back shot, you love that, you like that. It's the back shot. You miss that, like Ben Latin. In back that. Me, span that. Be, that the truth to be. And you missing me.
Praise your records.
Nature me name, you know. I told the thing set. Our look, red hat, red jersey, red hat, red jersey, me boots got a little red, oh. You know what, me swagger, alright, cool. Nature, alright then, cool. Hey, them nature me name. Go. Fresh done. Hey, them one no GT man the swag. We wear clothes and leave out with that. Cayenne belt, Gucci top, Levi jeans, polo cap. Swagger, we swaggalicious. Swagger, we swaggalicious. Swaggalicious.
You ready?
When me step out in a me Air Max and me Louis Vuitton. Kenneth, all what make up on me hand, me dress uptown. So me live on the dam, me will take away your girl dog bed beaten. If a Trinidad, me live a Beaton. If a Barbados, me live a Bridgetown. But if it's Guyana, Stanley tongue, River tongue, Alba tongue, Queenstown, Charlestown, Albi's tongue. Hey, them one no GT man the swag. We wear clothes and live out with tag. Cayenne belt, Gucci top, Levi jeans, polo cap. Swagger, we swaggalicious. Swagger, we swaggalicious. Swagger. Alright, tell the fashion police, don't pre-we, cause we were original with the Chinese. Original sneakers, but we pants shiny. We shot shiny, we act shiny, but if you look for me neck, real jewelry.
Easy in the building, people. Out of Diamond. Goes by the name of the shortest and the baddest. Nature boy. Let me tell you, the youth full of lyrics. Let's see what I'm talking about. The lyrics, here we go.
Hold on, Sophie. Let me tell you something now. Every ghetto youth, at some time in the life, these kind of thoughts run through them head. Sometimes you sit down on the block and you pray now for your rich. Always the easiest way for your rich. You know, you're fed up seeing poverty, you're fed up struggling. And these kind of thoughts do run through our head. Spirit from the top, Sophie. So my name, you know. Shortest and the baddest.
That's what time I open mic Wednesday right here. Matt Station, man, 7.5. This is Nature Boy. And this one definitely for all the ghetto people them right now. Talk to them nature.
If I could be invisible for a day,
What you do?
I'll be rich tomorrow morning. If I could be invisible for a day. Nature me name, you know. Every ghetto youth. Every ghetto youth. Why if I big up yourself? That is it. This is how we walk. Nature. Every youth. I could be invisible for a day. I'll be rich tomorrow morning.
So what?
If I could be invisible for a day.
So what?
I'll be rich. I'll be rich. I'll be rich tomorrow morning. Rich tomorrow morning. First thing, Guyana Bank Tech. First thing, Guyana Bank Tech one. Tech one, the treasury, tech one. Rich, like the Jewish them rich. Rich, like the Syrians rich. Gafros, Biari, Miami them rich. No more broke life, dog, no empty fridge. Lobster pond, grill, gill, bark of fish. Them lifestyle, them me want to live. Charity, and out me want to give. And teach get to use them how to live. And some of them who now want to give. Get to people for drink milk in them porridge. Here the man say, if I could be invisible for a day, I'll be rich tomorrow morning. If I could be invisible for a day. That's the goodness of
Nature
it.
boy, why you want to be rich?
Daddy?
Nature
Daddy, when you get big, we
Yo.
don't mind you, right?
Nature
Love you,
this one.
Daddy.
Safi, this one is make me want to cry. All I know. Safi, all. Safi.
Daddy?
Make sure when them watch it, me say, Daddy, I know you don't pay insurance and all them, NIS and all them things, but Daddy, when you get big and all, we gonna mind you. And that's me insurance, they go tell the government. So we play the thing.
Daddy, when you get big,
How you
we don't
mean?
mind you, right?
How you mean?
Love you, Daddy.
Love you too, my children.
I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than you'll never be as ecstasy. I miss you more.
This is nature boy. Let's go.
See me conscience, yeah. Me conscience a beat me. Me conscience, yeah. Me conscience a beat me. Try sleep when me jump but me sleep. Cause me conscience a beat me. Can't sleep if me chewing and eat. See me conscience a beat me. And if me give them some ramens and a cup of cooling, them gonna ask me with the meat there. Try to sleep when me jump with me sleep. See me conscience a bit. Brother, how you walking colors? Buy your Gucci sandals. And you can't buy your baby mama pack up pampers. See the flossing thing, brother, cool it down. Buy 10 pair of sneakers and you rest that.
Daddy? Daddy, when you get big,
Big up all the fathers
mind
them
you,
know say
right?
take care of picnic them. You know?
love you, Daddy.
Yeah.
I'll settle for the ghost of you.
I miss you.
More than
This is Open Mic Wednesday right
Nature me
here.
name, you know.
On the man station, man.
Big up all the fathers that will take care of them children. Big up the mothers them too. Children of the future. Nature. See me conscience, yeah. Me conscience a beat me. Man, me conscience, yeah. Me conscience a beat me. Try sleep on me jump with me sleep. Cause me conscience a beat me. Try sleep on me jump with me sleep. Cause me conscience a beat me. If me give them some ramens and a cup of Kool-Aid, them gonna ask me with the meat there. Try sleep on me jump with me sleep. See me conscience brother, how you walking colors? Buy your Gucci sandals. And you can't buy your baby mama pack up pampers. See the flossing thing, brother, I cool it down. Buy 10 pair of sneakers and you rest it down. You and your friend them flash, they put the rest from. And your children want milk and nothing and nest up. When the table turn and they used to ignore your dog, you know vex law. Try to sleep on me, jump on me sleep. Cause me conscience a beat me. Can't sleep if me chew with the eat. See me conscience a beat me. And if me give them some ramens and a cup of cooling, them gonna ask me with the beat there. Try sleep on me jump on the sleep. See me conscience. When you separate from the woman, don't separate from your children. If it's one slice of bread, break a fraction and eat them. Brother, if you're poor, sleeping on the floor, soon as you get to give them that, they give you more. The blessings of the shore, God gonna open the door. Have a conscience, have a conscience, have a conscience. Try sleep on me jump but me sleep. See me conscience a beat me. And if me give them some ramens and them gonna ask me to me there. Try sleep on me jump but me sleep. See me conscience a beat me. And if me give them some
Yo, Nature Boy. Before you go in, I'm saying,
Nature me name.
let the people know they can find you on social media and how they can get your music on the social media.
You can find me, Nature Boy, you shout this on the ballot on social media as GT Nature Boy, GT Nature Boy Dean, social, Facebook, same thing, GT Nature Boy Dean, YouTube, GT Nature Boy, and if you want to find me music, Safi.
So you got music on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And they go get it by Safi.
You want people ever just join us?
Name, shout out
Definitely
back.
that's the man, Nature Boy. They're performing some of his tracks, you guys. Definitely go on the social media platform and definitely support him. Promote